Do you want to attract more clients online for your fitness business? Search engine optimization, or SEO, can help you get found by people searching for your fitness services. Hey, I'm Andrew Wallis, and in this video I'll show you how to leverage SEO to boost your online visibility and ultimately help you grow your fitness business. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. When potential clients search for fitness services online, you want your website to appear at the top of the Google results. Higher rankings ultimately mean more visibility, more traffic, and more clients. The first step in SEO is keyword research. Identify the terms and phrases potential clients are using to search for fitness services in their area. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SurferSEO, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, SEMrush, all of these can help you find relevant keywords. Make sure to focus on keywords that have a good balance of search volume as well as competition. Great examples are personal trainer near me or online fitness coaching for those of you who do online training. On-page SEO involves optimizing the elements of your website. Here's how. Firstly, title tags. Here, make sure you include your primary keyword in the title tag of each page. Secondly, meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions that include your keywords and encourage clicks. Thirdly, headers. Use headers such as H1, H2, H3 to structure your content and make sure to include keywords. Fourthly, content. Create high quality, relevant content that incorporates your keywords naturally. Aim for longer articles that provide value to your specific audience. Technical SEO focuses on the back-end aspects of your website. So make sure your site is fast, it's mobile friendly, and easy to navigate. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, as that can help you check your site speed and enable you to make improvements. A well-structured site with clear navigation helps search engines index your pages and ultimately improves user experience. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website. They signal to search engines that your site is credible and valuable. Acquire backlinks by guest blogging, forming partnerships, and getting listed in online directories. The more high quality backlinks you have, the higher your site will rank. For fitness businesses who operate from a physical location, local SEO is crucial. So make sure to optimize your Google My Business profile with accurate information, including such things as your address, your phone number, and business hours. And encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews. Make sure to also use local keywords in your content and get listed in local directories, as this will help improve your local search rankings. SEO is an ongoing process, so use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your performance. Track metrics such as organic traffic, bounce rate, and of course, keyword rankings. And remember to regularly update your content, fix any technical issues, as well as adapt your strategy based on the data you collect. By leveraging SEO, you can improve your online visibility and ultimately attract more clients to your fitness business. All of this whilst you sleep. If you need personalized advice or have any questions on this topic, then please, as always, feel free to contact me. I'm here to help you succeed. And remember, SEO is a powerful tool to boost your online presence. Start optimizing today and watch your business grow. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Stay tuned, there's more tips and strategies on the way to help you grow your fitness business. Until then, keep pushing forward and stay committed to your growth. I'll see you next time.